How can you combine these words with these words? For my students, it's often a big mystery. I'm here to make things clear. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study phrasal verb secrets. To push back. Laura is working on a project in her office. Her coworker Jack approaches her. Hey, Laura, how's your day going so far? Living the dream. Another day, another dollar. How about you? Can't complain. So, have you finished preparing for the meeting this afternoon? Not yet, unfortunately. I'm a bit swamped with other tasks right now. I'll get on it soon. No worries. I was thinking we could push back the meeting to give everyone more time to prepare. What do you think? Wow, that sounds like a great idea. I could use the extra time. Quiz time. What does to push back mean? Use physical force, delay or postpone, disagree with someone, work harder. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's B. Delay or postpone. Phrasal verb secrets. Push generally means to apply force, but in this context, it means to change the time of something. Back in this verb implies moving the time further away, like pushing the meeting to a later time. The word back often means reverse. The direction can change depending on the perspective. This is common in business, such as push back a deadline or push back an appointment. Phrasal verb extras. Pushback is often used in a professional context, like for meetings or deadlines, but it can also be used in casual situations, such as pushing back a dinner reservation or a get together with friends. Back can also indicate the direction in which something is being moved. For example, step back means to move in reverse, and lean back means to recline. Examples. Can we push back the meeting by an hour? I'm running late. I had to push back my dentist appointment because of a scheduling conflict. We decided to push back our vacation due to bad weather. The deadline for the project was pushed back to next week. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. So far. Until now. Another day, another dollar. Casual. The usual work. I'm swamped. I'm very busy. Due to. Because of. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.